One of these three PFAS-free ceramic pans is clearly better than the other two. And it's not the influencer favorite. After analyzing over 10,000 verified reviews, third-party lab data from America's Test Kitchen, and the actual manufacturer specs, the winner takes 3 out of 4 rounds. Quick note, links in the description are affiliate links. Doesn't cost you a cent extra. Here's the plan. We're putting Caraway, the Our Place Always Pan 2, and the GreenPan Valencia Pro through 4 head-to-head rounds. Build quality, cooking performance, value, and toxicity documentation. Each round gets a clear winner. By the end, you'll know exactly which pan deserves your money, which one to skip, and the one model with award-winning third-party validation that nobody talks about. First up, the Caraway 10.5-inch ceramic frying pan, currently $125 on Amazon, sitting at 4.4 stars across over 6,000 verified reviews. That's the largest review pool of the three by a wide margin. Caraway is the design-forward darling of Instagram kitchens, and the spec sheet backs up the hype. Aluminum body, stainless steel handle, mineral-based ceramic interior, oven-safe to 550 degrees, and free of PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. Reviewers consistently rave about one thing: the first-year egg release. Buyers repeatedly describe eggs that, quote, slide right out of the pan with no oil. The aesthetic is genuinely premium. The handle stays cool. Induction works flawlessly. But here's the honest criticism the data keeps surfacing: coating longevity. After roughly 12 months of daily use, a recurring complaint pattern emerges around dulling, sticking, and exterior paint chipping near the rivets. At $125, that's the trade-off. You're paying a premium for the best opening year, not the longest lifespan. Now the most polarizing pan in the lineup, the Our Place Always Pan 2. $134 on Amazon, 4.4 stars across over 3,000 verified reviews, and Amazon's choice. The pitch is ambitious. Our Place calls it a patented 10-in-1. Fry pan, sauté pan, steamer, skillet, saucepan, spatula rest, and more. It ships with a beechwood spatula and a steamer basket. The body is 100% post-consumer recycled aluminum with a thermokine ceramic coating, free of PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Buyers love the design and the depth. It's 1.5 inches deeper than a standard fry pan, with a real pour spout. But here's where the data gets uncomfortable. Reviewers report the coating degrades noticeably faster than Caraway, with sticking issues appearing as early as 3 to 4 months of daily use. It's also hand wash only and oven safe to just 450 degrees, the lowest of all 3 pans here. You're paying a premium for versatility and aesthetics, not durability. And now the dark horse, the GreenPan Valencia Pro 10-inch with glass lid, $85.30, 4.1 stars across 658 reviews. Smaller review pool. But pay attention to the spec sheet. This is the only pan in the comparison with a duo-forged, hard anodized aluminum body and a diamond-infused Thermalon ceramic coating. Oven safe to 600 degrees, the highest of the 3. Dishwasher safe, metal utensil safe per the brand. Limited lifetime warranty. And here's the credential that separates it from everything else. America's Test Kitchen named the Valencia Pro the best ceramic nonstick fry pan in their 8-inch and 11-inch size categories. It also won the 2023 Good Housekeeping Sustainable Innovation Award. The honest criticism, despite the metal utensil safe claim, scratch resistance reports in the Amazon reviews are mixed. A small subset of buyers report visible marks within months. But at this price, with this warranty, with this third-party validation, the value calculation is hard to argue with. 3 pans, 3 very different philosophies. Now we settle it. 4 rounds, 1 winner per category, and one of these 3 takes home the overall title. If you're still trying to decide, this is the part that matters. Round 1, build quality. This isn't close. The Caraway uses a standard aluminum body and tops out at 550 degrees in the oven. The Our Place Always. Pan caps at 450, Fine for braising, weak for high heat searing. The GreenPan Valencia Pro uses a duo-forged, hard anodized aluminum body, pre-treated for scratch resistance with a diamond-reinforced ceramic layer and an oven rating of 600 degrees. That's a 50-degree advantage over Caraway and 150 over our place. On materials and heat tolerance, GreenPan wins outright. Round 2. Cooking performance. This is where Caraway hits back. Across prudent reviews, the kitchen, and the Amazon review pool, one pattern is consistent. Caraway delivers the smoothest first-year egg release of any ceramic pan in this price tier. Reviewers describe a noticeably slicker surface compared to GreenPan's diamond-textured coating and a more even sear than the Our Place. The Our Place is good. The GreenPan is consistent. But on day one cooking feel, Caraway is the pan reviewers consistently rank highest. Round 3. Value. Caraway, $125, no lid included. Our place, $134, lid and accessories included. GreenPan Valencia Pro, $85.30. Glass lid included, plus a limited lifetime warranty. The only lifetime warranty in this comparison. That's roughly $40 less than Caraway, $50 less than Our Place, with the strongest warranty and the highest oven rating. The math isn't subtle. GreenPan wins value by a country mile. Round 4. Toxicity documentation. All three brands market themselves as PFAS-Free, PFOA-Free, lead-free, and cadmium-free. The marketing claims are nearly identical. The third-party validation is not. Caraway has strong direct-to-consumer documentation, but limited independent expert validation. Our place has the same. GreenPan's Valencia Pro is the one product in this comparison validated by America's Test Kitchen as a category winner and recognized by Good Housekeeping with the 2023 Sustainable Innovation Award. Narrow edge, but a real one, to GreenPan. Final tally, 3 rounds to 1. The overall winner is the GreenPan Valencia Pro 10-inch. It takes build quality with a hard anodized body and a 600-degree oven rating. It takes value at $85 with a lifetime warranty and a glass lid included. And it takes toxicity documentation with the only third-party expert recognition in the group, America's Test Kitchen and Good Housekeeping. Caraway lands a real punch on cooking feel and earns the runner-up slot. But at $40 more, with no lid, no lifetime warranty, and a documented coating wear pattern after 12 months, it can't overcome the value gap. The Our Place Always pan is genuinely beautiful and ridiculously versatile. But the 450-degree oven cap and faster coating degradation push it to third. If you want one PFAS-free ceramic frying pan that does the most things right at the lowest price, the GreenPan Valencia Pro is the call. Quick buyer's guide before you click. If best overall value is what you want, get the GreenPan Valencia Pro. If you're willing to pay a premium for the smoothest first-year egg release and you rebuy your pans every couple years anyway, get the Caraway. If you cook in a small kitchen, want one pan that replaces 5, and design matters more than oven temperature, get the Our Place Always pan too. All 3 links are in the description. If this saved you from buying the wrong one, hit subscribe. We do this every week.